if you're promoting on Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Sharecell, Max Bounty, any type of affiliate marketing products, you need to be promoting high ticket items. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and how much money I've been making doing that. Antonio here. Welcome to my channel. First of all, before jumping into how much money I make with high ticket items and how to make that type of commissions like myself, I want to invite you to first like my channel, subscribe, hit the bell below. Also check out my blog, emancipationoccupation.com. Follow me as I give you awesome tips and tricks to make money online, whether it's social media marketing, affiliate marketing, mainly those two, but there's plenty of other things I do as well. So check out my channel. Now, high ticket items. This is a very slept on subject. A lot of people don't really pay too much attention to it, or they just say it's too hard. But the thing is, you put the same amount of time and effort to sell a high ticket item as what you would do a low ticket item. So I would much rather spend a couple of minutes per day to a couple hours per day selling something where I know it could bring me $600, $1,000, $2,000 versus $5. You tell me, which one would you rather get after putting in all this hard work? I started out doing product creation. I sold $7 products, things that took me my time, and I had a coach who helped me, and probably the best launch I had was about 300 units sold of my own product. But I quickly realized I gotta sell a lot of these things in order to retire from my job early. That's when the light bulb went off. Bing! Now I make commissions like these with less amount of work. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to check this out right here. This is one of my PayPal accounts. Yes, just one of them. I have multiple PayPal accounts. PayPal can be very funny, but this is one of my business accounts, and I just want to show you guys that, you know, for this particular account, I haven't produced a high ticket item all the time, every time, but it's darn near close. Actually, I did have one every month. Let's see. Except for July. So here I had a payment, $338.65, high ticket item. I didn't get one in July. August, $48. But then we got $238. September, we got $762 in October. That made a huge difference right there. I actually created a video, and I'm going to release it here pretty soon, of me withdrawing this amount and paying for a credit card. Yes, I took this whole amount and paid for one credit card in one swoop. Boom, just like that. And this was from free marketing. This wasn't from like paid advertising. I didn't spend $300 to make the $762, thus profiting only like $400. No. I profited $762.50 completely without a dime, and I was able to pay off a credit card. Imagine how great would that be for you if you're trying to increase your credit score or just trying to really get out of debt overall. So that's nearly $1,000 right there at the snap of a finger. This is the power of high ticket items, guys. I don't want this in case it's just like $50 or $100 like I did down there, $48.25. So there's plenty of other things I can show you guys, but I just wanted to really show you that I make this money. I really do make this money, guys. This was a huge month. This actually was kind of like the light bulb for a lot of other things. I was able to replicate this multiple times. If you would look at my ClickBank account, I also had a $468 check sent to me during the same time for like my commission checks and everything. So I went well over $1,000 that month. So now, what do you got to do in order to make these big checks? Look, it's very simple, very easy. You just got to put in the work. So for me, first of all, you have to find a high ticket item or product, and you can find this on muncheye.com, which that's something I use to promote because that's where a lot of internet marketing products are. You may not be in internet marketing, so you may have to go to another platform in order to find that high ticket item. For example, you have sharecell.com. There's plenty of high ticket items on sharecell.com. If you remember back here, you were seeing a whole bunch of purple mattresses being promoted on television. If you sell one of those, I believe your commission will be like $125, if not a little bit more. And then if you're able to sell multiple instances of that, your commission goes up and up and up. So essentially what I'm telling you is go on shareasale.com and look and see if there's a high ticket item that you are able to promote. They have anything from beds, you got wayfair.com, you have weight loss products, anything and everything. You can also go to clickbank.com. That's huge for internet marketing, video games, weight loss, personal development. It just matters what you are looking for. So you find these high ticket items and then you begin to promote them to the correct audience. If you're in internet marketing, do not promote weight loss to them. They don't really give a flip about weight loss. You got little Gary on a computer who's typing up stuff and he doesn't go outside. He doesn't get any type of sunlight whatsoever. You can tell by just looking at him. And then you're going to try and promote weight loss to him. Man, that guy don't care about losing no weight. This man just care about being on his computer and making money. Know your audience. After you find your product, promote it. Everybody is on social media nowadays. Whether it's IG, aka Instagram, whether it's Snapchat, whether it is Facebook, whether it's YouTube. I use YouTube a lot. I also use Facebook a lot, but I use that for marketing as paid marketing, not free marketing. I don't have that type of audience to really just pay attention to my stuff when I post for free and they take action. YouTube works very well for me. So what you can do if you already have the product, just post a testimonial about it. Hey, I used this product and I lost 10 pounds in 15 days. Hey, I used this product and I made $30 in 30 days. Hey, I used PicMonkey and I'm able to create these type of graphics. Then all of a sudden post a graphic of what you're able to make. Then on the bottom of that message or picture or testimonial, you drop your affiliate link. I do this all the time, guys. This is so simple. It's very easy. People are looking for reasons to buy. You just have to give them reasons. Then if you don't use social media, there's plenty of other things. You got solo ads. I know people say solo ads is dying. You see these weird videos all the time. It's not true. Look, solo ads is still alive. A lot of people still check emails. I check my email. You're not looking for everybody to purchase your stuff. You're looking for a small slice of the pie from the majority to purchase your product. That's what high ticket items is all about. Think of it like this. In order to create a six-figure income, $100,000, you don't need to sell 1.5 million products. You only need to sell a $1,000 product 100 times. That's $100,000 right there, right? Now, what if you had a customer, you built a list with solo ads, with YouTube videos, with Facebook. Facebook groups is a real huge popular one, guys. Create a Facebook group in your niche and bring people in your group, and then you can begin adding value in that Facebook group by giving them techniques and stuff to achieve their goals, and then slip in an affiliate link. But let's say you have your list, and for the course of the next 12 months, you worked on keeping that one customer and having them spend $1,000 throughout the year. Not one time, but throughout the year. That's $1,000 per customer, and you just need 100 of those. Tell me you can't do that. I know you guys can do that. The game is too easy. You just complicate it too much. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to check out shareasale.com. Go sign up as an affiliate, not a merchant, because you don't got a store. Go check out clickbank.com. Go check out jvzoo.com. And just start with those platforms and see if there's a high ticket item that looks awesome to you that you could either purchase and use yourself and create a testimonial, or one that you already have and that you can create a testimonial, or it's just simply a product that you like and that you want to use. After you find your high ticket items, pick about 2 to 3 high ticket items. I want you to start there. Then begin to promote it in all the different places I talked about earlier. Whether you have a blog, whether you're in forums, whether you want to purchase solo ads, whether you want to make YouTube videos about it. Look, use these platforms to your benefit. It's free, guys. You don't got to pay for crap. Drive traffic and watch the sales come in. Now, you may not get a whole bunch of takers immediately, but if you get one person to purchase your high ticket item that's $1,000 over the course of 30 days, you're going to sit there and tell me it's not worth it? You didn't do any work, you didn't put in a whole bunch of time, but you just made $1,000. How long does it take you to make $1,000 at your full-time job? I didn't say part-time job, because that's a whole nother story. Your full-time job. It takes a lot of people a long time to make $1,000 at their full-time job. And you're able to do this within hours. When I do this technique, when I make my videos on YouTube, it doesn't take me very long. Me taking this video right now is not taking me very long. I create this, I put my description under the video, and then I put my affiliate link. Boom. Guess what? I generally get clicks within 2 to 3 hours of my link of posting my videos. I literally have posted videos and made $1,000 in 2 hours. That's bananas. Now I just recently purchased a product that I'm also going to do a product review on. It's called High Ticket Cash Machines. It's not really to the caliber of what I thought it would be, but it's still a pretty awesome program. Kind of gets you, it kind of gets your foot in the door when it comes to high ticket stuff that I just taught on. You can check the link on that below. I recommend you buying it. It's cheap enough. It's 17 bucks, I think, somewhere around there. That way you can really get a more in-depth teaching on high ticket items, not to the point that I would like it, because I'm going to be making my own product here pretty soon, probably on high ticket items. They don't necessarily go over everything that I would go over, but you can still make phenomenal commissions once you go through this program. So check that out. I want you to look at it. Tell me what you think about the program. Definitely worth the 17 bucks. If it was like 50 or 100, I'd tell you not to get it. Also, check out my training below. I created free resources for you guys, a free video course, free 5-module video course for y'all as to how I make $1,000 per month online. If you guys follow my steps, you will make the money, but you gotta go through the steps. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So any questions, anything you would like to add, any suggestions, you know, I want to know, like, post below. Tell me what platforms you guys are using in order to make high ticket sales. I know I missed a couple, so tell me. But till that time, we'll see you guys later. Deuces.